See how to make a most delicious, creamy New York style cheesecake. This is my favorite cheesecake recipe. You want to start with a springform pan. It's a 10-inch, or like I do, I use a regular cake pan. You're going to butter your pan, and then 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 stick of butter. Melt the butter, and then in a small bowl, add your graham cracker crumbs, the sugar, and the melted butter. Give that a little whirl. Make sure to get every little bit of that delicious butter. When it holds together, it's ready. Just put that right in the pan, spread that around, try to build up the edges a little bit, and I like to use a cup to kind of press it in and make it nice and even. Then put that in the fridge or the freezer to chill. 2 pounds of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and mix that up until it gets smooth and creamy. Then 2 eggs. Crack the eggs first in a bowl and then give them a little stir with a fork. And once the cream cheese is nice and creamy, you can add the eggs and the vanilla. This is my homemade vanilla. I also added a half a teaspoon of almond. The eggs go in slowly, and you don't want to beat it too much after the eggs are in, just mix it together. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch go in. And the filling is set. Oh, not quite. Okay, so now we're going to put the sour cream in there. So it's 1 cup of sour cream. Also, I forgot to mention, it's 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And the filling is ready. Put that in your chilled pan, and your oven should be preheating. I have a convection, and I did it at 350 for 1 hour. You might want to do it at 375 if you have a regular oven. Bake your cheesecake for 1 hour. I'm just checking it here to make sure it's done, and give it a little jiggle. If it jiggles a lot, you might want to pop it back in for 5 or 10 minutes. If it jiggles just a little bit, you're okay. Now, I left the oven door open slightly as it cools and left the cheesecake in there. The cheesecake can go in the fridge or the freezer. Cheesecakes freeze really well, so you can wrap them really tight with plastic and freeze them for months. I'm going to use this one tomorrow. Oh, I almost forgot. Subscribe and ring the bell. Do you want a copy of my best recipes and how to make a wedding cake? Mr. Foot just ordered his copy and he's so excited he can't stop reading it. The link is below the video. Now back to the cheesecake. Whipped cream, cherries, and blueberries. You can top your cheesecake with just about anything. I also love it with lemon curd or chocolate ganache. But today I'm doing the fruit and the whipped cream, and you'll need a pastry bag if you're going to do that, with a star tip of some kind. Any star tip will do. So this is how you get the cheesecake out of the pan. You heat up the pan just enough to melt the butter in the crust. You'll know when it's ready. Not quite yet. One reason I prefer a regular pan is so that the butter doesn't leak out. With a springform pan, sometimes the butter leaks out of the sides and I just prefer to do it this way, and also when you pop it out, it comes out a lot cleaner looking. So I like to use the regular pans, so no need to go out and buy a springform if you don't have one. And then just pop it out of the pan. See? Comes right out. Flip that over, and you're ready to decorate. Pretty ribbon around the cake looks really nice and gives it a really nice touch. This was for July 4th, but of course, cheesecakes are great for any occasion. Wow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys soon.